Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here with a electrified version of a D18. I call this my D18EL. I make a brass sleeve these cartridge heaters fit into. They're rated at 500 watts. This one will push 650, so it's a little more powerful than listed. And I also install a voltage regulator in the base right there. Works out very nicely. I make these special spacers right here to fit in those porthole windows, and that way I can install that. Okay, and we've got a 16.3 AWG heavy duty cord on the back of it. And we've got a special tag made. It says 110 volt, 500 watt. Complete the detail package. That heater is a seamless install in the back. Wilescos are definitely harder to do this to than a Jensen is. Of course, we have our generator here. The generator seems to work only one direction. I guess maybe that's by design. Flip it the other way and you get nothing. I guess that's just how they are. These, of course, with the slip eccentric and the flywheel, you can go the opposite direction with these flywheels. It's a very handsome outfit. I really like it. They do have a smoking chimney on them, which I think is a neat effect. I was able to get this from, I think it's called Educational Innovations. They had a sale going on, so as you can see, bought it brand new. And there's a D32 next to it. This is a fun plant because of the light and the generator. Now we can control the steam pressure in a couple of different ways, either by the valve right here, or by the amount of power that we put into the boiler for the immersion rod heater. I'm not sure if I can capture that rod in there or not. I guess not. Anyway, you get the idea. So there it is, Wilesco D18EL. I thank you for looking. Bye now.